Hello everyone, welcome to RBI Interview and Fact series, and as a part of this video, we are going to talk about why RBI's balance sheet is divided into two parts, which means assets and liabilities. So there are different types of reasons behind it. For example, the first one is the legal obligation that is there under RBI Act 1934, very specifically section 53(2), which explicitly states that RBI must maintain its accounts separately by clearly outlining assets and liabilities. Apart from that, it also says that RBI has to publish weekly and annual statements which show these distinctions clearly. The second point is basically clear representation of monetary operation, and this is very easy to understand. We know that if we talk about the assets and liabilities as represented by RBI, and we know if we talk about assets, what does it include? For example, the gold, for example, the foreign exchange reserves, for example, the government securities, loans and advances, and other types of investments. If we talk about liabilities, we know that they are the obligations of the RBI, for example, reserves maintained by the commercial bank, for example, the government deposits, and other such type of liabilities. And these divisions, they clearly depict RBI monetary and financial operations. Fine. So this is about the second point. The third point is very easy to understand: transparency and accountability. We know that separating it into two components, into two parts, it ensures transparency and it helps the stakeholders. When I say stakeholders, basically it means the government, the economist, the investors, the general public like me and you. They are able to clearly understand the sources and the application of these different types of funds. So that is the idea. Now the homework question. Tell me that the currency notes that are issued by the RBI, the currency notes that are issued by the RBI, they fall under which category? Assets or liabilities? And you can also mention why. Fine. So that is it from my end. Thank you so much and all the best.